guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about all things books and writing. I just recently upped my computer game in order to make things a bit easier for me becoming an author, and my old computer was dying. It was so on the way out that I couldn't load the internet sometimes because it said that I was running out of storage or it had an error. It was a hot mess. So I had my eye on a MacBook for a long time. Finally decided to make the plunge, honestly because of my future writing career, because I am constantly writing on my computer and needed something reliable, something that I felt like would last years, as well as a lot of the programs that I wanted to use to kind of help me publish the book, such as Vellum, which is something I will be downloading in this video and showing you that as well. You could only use it on a MacBook or any sort of Apple product. It didn't work on PCs, and I really wanted to be able to use Vellum in order to format my book and make it look as professional as possible. And since I know I plan to write more than one book already and hopefully publish at least 2 books in 2023, I thought I should purchase the computer and the program Vellum to format my future books instead of hiring someone to format my first book for me. So I'd rather be able to learn the process and do it all. And also for my YouTube videos, I have wanted to use a computer program to edit my videos. I have been editing on my laptop for a long time, and oh wow, that's gonna take some getting used to. So here is my unboxing and setting up of my new MacBook Pro, and also show you downloading and setting up Vellum. So one of the main reasons that I decided to get a MacBook Pro is because I wanted to download the program Vellum so that I can use this software that kind of helps you format your book and make it look like a regular published book. It has all the correct fonts that people use in different books, and it also has a way to make like a lot of designs and page breaks and chapter headings. So that's what I did. One of the first things that I did once I got my MacBook is I downloaded Vellum. So it's a one-time fee. I believe it depends whether or not you want to do ebook or paperback as well. So I got the full program to do paperback, ebook, hardcover, all of that. So this is just kind of a close-up view while I'm downloading it in the background. I thought I'd show you the website. There's a couple more styles and options for you to design your book and kind of what you can create. And then here are the prices for the Vellum Press or the Vellum ebooks. So $249 for the whole thing. I've already played around a lot with the program, and it has been so much fun to add the different chapter headings, and you can even add like dedications, a table of contents, so much different stuff to your book. So I started doing that to my manuscript, and it was so much fun to see my book come alive and to be able to make those kind of like personalizations to my manuscript so it feels like a real book. And the last thing I did once I unboxed my MacBook was download Final Cut Pro, which is what I use to edit this video that you are currently watching. I think I said earlier in this video, but I have been editing on my phone or my iPad for a long time. So this was so exciting to finally get to use a computer program to hopefully be able to post more YouTube videos faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just so excited about this MacBook. I have a feeling it is going to pay off in the long run to have upgraded to some better tools for my writing career and filming about my writing and all sorts of things. I think it's just going to make the process so much easier. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.